The mechanical version of the golden steel wolf claw that can be worn on the finger. The curved finger can be out of the claw, which is very handsome. Today we use A4 card paper. According to the width of 5 centimeters, take them down one by one. One can take down 5. Put the 5 pieces of paper together, you can get a more solid material. First, take down 5 1 centimeter wide pieces of paper on this material. Continue to cut off a 2 centimeter wide strip, and a part with such a straight corner. The rest of the paper, let's draw a claw shape on it and take it down. Then we have to make a small hole for them. The position where the hole is needed, I marked it with a black dot. A 1 centimeter long strip needs to make 2 holes. A 2 centimeter long strip needs to make 3 holes. A hole for the right foot part, 2 holes for the claw. This is what it looks like after the hole is made. Then we use the long strip from A4 paper. Roll it into a paper tube. Roll 2 paper rolls. It just fits the thick position of the finger and the thin position. Take out the right foot part. Tear off the following section a little bit. Stick to the fine paper stick. Take out a 2 centimeter wide piece of paper. It's a little too long. We
cut it off from the middle. Cut it a little shorter. Tear the following part apart from the middle. Stick to this thick paper tube. Let's place it. 2 here, 2 here. Find a point here. Make another hole right here. Then this one needs to be processed. Excessive cut off and put on. This is probably the structure. Connect it. When we assemble it with a cotton swab, insert 2 small holes in the middle. Insert the cotton swab. 2 ends of desound glue. After sticking, this part can move. Put on 3 holes. Put the claw into the 2 holes above. The claw also needs to be able to move. Then connect this hole and this hole. But I missed a piece of paper. I made another one. 2 can clip these 2 holes. After wearing it on the finger, I tested again. Found that the movement of the claw is not big enough. You can adjust. For example, hit this hole a little bit above. Look at the several small holes above. I use them to adjust the angle of this rough claw. Adjust to the rough claw angle you need. Mechanical wolf claw. Just bend your fingers and you can get out, without effort. If you also like my creative handiwork made of paper, just give me a thumbs up and leave a comment.